Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome and well today. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for tuning in. I do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. We are going to talk about this beautiful hair that I'm wearing today. It is absolutely gorgeous. We are going to get right into the video. This hair is from Wig.co.uk. All the details of this unit is going to be in the description box for you guys. It is 100% unprocessed human hair. You get great ventilation. It's antibacterial, blocks UV rays, great ventilation in this unit. As you can see, you've got a beautiful thick headband on this unit. It is very light. The density of this hair is amazing. It's not going to keep you hot. It's the lightest hair you can ever wear on your head. It is absolutely amazing. You have two combs to the front, one to the back, and you know the elastic strap is right there for you guys. The headband is amazing, and the interior, the cap of this wig is so nice and soft, and of course you can tell you will get great ventilation with this unit. It is absolutely amazing. It is beautiful, and I think this is in a natural black, but I'm going to leave the details in the description box for you guys. So this unit came with an extra headband, okay, again from Wig.co.uk, and this is one of those units, guys, when you get this at home, put it on your head. Done. Just put it on your head. That's all you need to do. Put this wig on your head and you are good to go. All you need to do is just brush this out, and this hair is very, very, very light. I do have my mousse here from Crown Beauty. If you want to go in with your mousse, go right ahead, but I don't need to go in with any mousse today. And it is such a beautiful unit, and this headband, as you can see, it fits. Let me just take this away from my ear. Okay, this is just my baby hair. See, I didn't do anything with it today. This band, as you can see, it fits right to the base of your neck. Right to the base of your neck. So you're not going to get all those nappy hairs showing. It fits right to the base of your head. And it is so comfortable. I mean, even if it is about 40 degrees outside in the summertime, you can wear this. You can wear this hair. If you get a little hot, you can just bring it to the side, just like that, and your back and your neck is nice and cool, and it gives you a bit of a style with this unit. Or if you want to flip it to the other side, go right ahead. Look at how gorgeous that is. And this is the hair. It is so light, guys. You are not going to believe how light this feels on your hair. And you know, of course, I do have my hoop earrings on, and it gives you a nice little side style, which looks so beautiful. Other than that, this is such a beautiful unit to wear. I do have a different headband, and I did a headband haul for you guys one time. If you want to go in with different headbands, go right ahead. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this one on my head right now. Okay. And very, very easy to put on, and the elastic in these headbands are so light. Okay, and let me just get this around my earrings. Okay, and if you want to go in with an extra headband, go right ahead. You can just open this up nicely. Okay, just open it up like that, and you can cover the black. And if you want to keep a little bit of the black showing to the front, go right ahead. Or if you just want to pull that down, you can go right ahead as well. And it's not going to make your head feel tight like something is squeezing your brain out. It's not going to feel like that. It feels really comfortable, and it looks like the headband is in like a double color, like you have two different colors on your head. But again, you can go in with the black if you wish. If you want to go in with another light color, or you can do like a plain blue or green. I'm going to link the video to this headband haul for you guys in a card somewhere. But even with this blue headband, it looks so beautiful, and my head feels really, really light. It doesn't feel tight at all, like I said, like my brain is getting squeezed out. It doesn't feel heavy at all, because the headband itself is so light. And if you just want to bring that down, however you want to wear it, if you want to be a little bit more stylish, go right ahead. If you want to pull the little black back a little bit, go right ahead as well. Also, if you want to pull this up into a bun, go right ahead. And as you can see, the headband goes right to the base of my head, so you're not going to get all those nappy hairs showing. It's going to look so pretty even if this is up, let's say in a bun or a high bun, or however you want to wear it. You want to bring it down to the side. That's amazing. That looks super great. Okay, any color headband you want to wear with this unit, you can go right ahead. It looks so stunning with the blue. If you want to just go in with a different color, go right ahead as well. But it looks absolutely gorgeous, just like this with the headband. Okay, there we go. Nice and wide. Okay, so I'm wearing a black right now. Let me just see if I can find maybe a black and white, probably, just to make everything look really nice. Let's just go in with this one. Again, you just pull it over your head. I'm just gonna get the headband over my earring and get this up on my head like that, and of course you're just gonna split that open. Okay, bring it to the front. If you want to keep the nut to the side to make it a little bit more stylish, go right ahead. You can cover the black headband if you wish. There we go. Cover that nicely, and the nut is to the side. If you want to bring that further to the side, go right ahead. It looks really stylish as well. And there we go. It is so pretty. I love this unit. It's away from your face. Nothing is in your face to always like get your hair away from your forehead or something like that. It looks so pretty. And of course, like I said, if you want to go in with your hair mousse, go right ahead. I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. Not too much. This is one of the best hair mousse ever. Love it. And just to keep it down, go right ahead. And then of course you just take your brush and you can just brush this down, and it's going to stay in place. If you want to go in with a one of those, what do you call, if you want to go in with a wax stick to keep this down a little bit more flat, you can go ahead, but you really don't need to do any of that. It is just really light, very comfortable, easy to wear. You are going to love this unit, guys. It is so comfortable, and my face feels so free because I don't have to always, you know, take my hair out of my face if, you know, if it's on a windy day. This is going to be absolutely perfect for you guys. Your hair is going to blow so nicely in the wind, and it's going to keep you nice and cool and comfortable. Again, you can bring it to the side if you wish, you know, however you want to be stylish, bring it to the side. And if you are a lefty, bring it to the side here, and there we be. How beautiful is that? Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. This is one of those units you can sleep in. You can dive into a pool. You can go on a Ferris wheel. You can go on a roller coaster, and this is going to stay on your head because it is so snug. If you want to have added reinforcement by putting a couple of clips in here, go right ahead, but you don't need to. It holds down really nicely. I just love this unit. It is so pretty, so absolutely gorgeous. From Wigget.co.uk. All the details of this unit is going to be in the description box for you guys. What do you think about this hair? Do you like it? Do you like this unit? It is so pretty. I've seen so many wigs with headbands on Instagram, and I thought, should I not? And then when I saw this on the Wigget website, I thought I have to have it, because again, it is human hair, 100% unprocessed. I can tell that my scalp feels so nice and free, and I can feel like air going through my braid, not my braid, like air is going through my scalp. And you know, the wig cap is really light and it's nice and thin, and it is so pretty. All the details are going to be below for you guys, and I do hope you like this unit. And of course, I do hope you enjoy this video today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you next time. Doodles!